So hello guys, i-check natin yung yung Alpine na with Bluetooth. Ito pala is parang latest na to na model, hindi na to old school. So ngayon, ang model nito is UTA 42 EBT Alpine with Bluetooth USB, FM AM auxiliary. So ang kagandahan nito guys is na to, original na Alpine to free out, made in Thailand. So ito yung output niya. Ang kagandahan nito guys is matatanggal yung yung face ng Alpine kasi already. So ito yung pag nakalagay dito may Alpine sa likod, digit na original. So tingnan natin, Alpine talaga yun yung lumalabas. So ito guys, by next natin patunugin natin tong Alpine na to. Chine-check lang natin kung anong model to, tapos anong quality. Ang kagandahan nito na Alpine is maganda siyang tunog, sobrang linaw, wala ka nang tawag nun, wala ka nang masasabi. So thank you for watching guys.